Hello everyone, I am Arindam Mitra from the Institute of Mathematical Sciences, Chennai, India. Today I will talk about the information leak and the incompatibility of physical context modified approach. My talk will be based on my paper which is in archive. Archive number is given below. Left hand side this is me Arindam Mitra, and right hand side this is my advisor Professor Shivashish Ghosh, and below is Gautam Sharma, who is my collaborator. Incompatibility in quantum mechanics is the key feature. It exists in state level, measurement level, and quantum channel level. Recently, a novel idea of incompatibility of physical context was introduced to get better understanding of non-classicality associated with incompatibility. Here, a quantum state together with two successive measurements on it is defined as a physical context, and IPC is defined as the difference between the information which remains in the quantum state after the first measurement and after the second measurement. An observable is a collection of positive Hermitian matrices. If you sum them, then you will get the identity. And quantum channel is a CPTP map from one state space to another state space. This notation we will use for concatenation of two quantum channels, that is lambda 1 compose lambda 2. And if two quantum channel gamma and lambda exist such that gamma is theta compose lambda, where theta is another quantum channel, then we will denote it like this. If both holds, then we will denote it as the equivalent symbol, and we will call lambda and gamma concatenation equivalent. There exists some channel which takes whole state space to just a point, to a fixed state. Those channels will be called as completely depolarizing channels. We denote the set of all observables as O and set of all channels as C. Now a quantum instrument is the collection of CP maps. If you sum them, you will get a CPTP map, and through this quantum instrument one observable can be measured if equation 1 holds. Such instrument is called as a compatible instrument, where A is the measured observable. If I is the a compatible instrument, then theta compose I also a compatible instrument, where theta is a CPTP map. Measurement model. It is known that to measure an observable, at first we have to associate the system with any anicilla, and then you have to use the joint unitary such that equation 3 holds, where A prime is a observable in the anicilla. So the average state after the measurement is given by lambda rho. Lambda is a quantum channel. If we choose phi x such that equation 5 holds, then from any measurement model one can define a quantum instrument. Similarly, from a quantum instrument one can define a measurement model such that equation 5 holds. This is given in reference 3. A observable and a channel is compatible if a quantum instrument exists which can implement both the observable and the quantum channel. It is well known that completely depolarizing channels are compatible with any observable. Sigma Ca is denoted, we denote it as a set of channels which is compatible with the observable A. Theorem 1 is proved in reference 4, and it says that the all channel, the sigma C A has a greatest element which is lambda A rho, and from this quantum channel all other channels which are compatible with A can be constructed using concatenation of quantum channels. Lambda A is called parent channel and corresponding instrument IA is called parent instrument. Clearly lambda A depends on the choice of Neymark extension, but two parent channels are concatenation equivalent, so therefore we have a freedom to choose it. Hollywood bound is well known to anyone. For an ensemble Px rho x, Hollywood bound is given in equation 8. Now incompatibility of physical context, which is given in reference 5. Here rho is a quantum state and xy are the sharp measurement. These three together makes the context C. In a QKDT-like game, Alice is sending a quantum state to Bob after one measurement, and then in between eavesdropper Eve makes another measurement. They have used the information measure as I rho, and so after measuring the observable x, the quantum state is nx rho, and after the measurement of observable y, the quantum state is ny composed nx rho. So the information remain between information gap between these two quantum states is I1 minus I2, which is curly IC. This is defined as incompatibility of physical context. Now limitation of their approach. They have taken, to measure an observable A, they have taken a particular channel in X. Therefore now Alice and if both are restricted to use a particular channel in X to measure an observable X. Or equivalently, they are restricted to use a particular quantum instrument Ix such that if you sum phi x, then you will get the nx. Since we have no control, at least over the eavesdropper, there is no reason to assume such restrictions. Secondly, if we generalized it, then if eavesdropper use completely depolarizing channel, a instrument which where the final channel is a completely depolarizing channel with output state as a pure state, then it is shown that IC can be negative. So therefore IC can be a measure of purity, but IC cannot be a measure of proper information. So there is a problem in their measure. Thirdly, for any POVM, the post-measurement state depends on the quantum instrument, and so therefore without using quantum instrument, their result cannot be generalized for POVMs. So in a QKDT-like game, we have calculated the proper information leak, which is given in equation 11. This is the difference between the Hollywood quantities, which is our information measure, where rho I prime A is when I prime A instrument is acted on rho by Alice, and xi rho I prime A I prime B is the information remaining in the ensemble after the measurement of Bob or Eve with instrument I prime B. As Hollywood bound is monotonically non-increasing under action of quantum channels, this quantity is always greater than 0. Now, in parallel of taking information, Alice's goal will be to minimize the information leak. So she will choose a B compatible parent instrument IB. So we have shown that if she chooses IB, then the information leak will be minimum. Similarly, Alice's goal will be to keep as much as information possible in the ensemble, so she will also use the parent instrument. So therefore, we get the equation 13. Now we have modified their measure of IPC, and this measure is valid for PBM as well as the POBMs. So here XY are the POBM measurements. Now Alice uses the instrument I prime X H prime. That means this the output of this instrument is H. I mean the output of the instrument is, it lies on SH prime. Now therefore the information leak is given by equation 14. So our definition of incompatibility of physical context is this JC with H prime is equal to H, because the observable X and Y both are acting on same Hilbert space H. And here the IHX max, this is the instrument for which Folibeau bound is maximum. Now suppose instead of POBM, both are measuring the sharp observables. Then in theorem 1, from theorem 1 one can easily show that NA is a parent instrument. So therefore we have calculated it for sharp measurement, and we obtained that their incompatibility, their measure of incompatibility of physical context and our measure of incompatibility of physical context is related by equation 15. Now we have shown the how incompatibility of physical context changes in presence of memory. So here rho M is the full state, and M is the memory here, and A part Alice will send to Bob after the measurement. Therefore in this case IC mem is given by equation 16, and it has been shown that IC mem actually is greater than IC. So incompatibility increases with the presence of memory. This is counterintuitive because we know from the Mario Barta's paper that uncertainty should decrease under action of memory, where we have shown that our modified IPC is always decreasing under the action of memory. So therefore our measure is consistent with the result by Mario Barta. Okay. Now if we take this specific example, like C1 is our physical context. Now Alice is using qubit memory M and keeping the reduced state fixed. She is changing the correlation with memory, therefore changing the full quantum state. So we have shown that in this case the difference between the IPC without memory and IPC with memory is just the mutual information. And if we take a particular eigen basis, particular ket lambda 1 and ket lambda 2 and particular value of alpha and beta, we have shown that this is actually monotonic. This decrement is actually monotonic, means here leakage difference increases with the memory correlation, but leakage or equivalently leakage is decreasing with memory correlation. So concurrence is telling the entanglement between the actual state and the memory, and also mutual information. Sorry, concurrence. Also mutual information is plotted in the solid line, and leakage is the red dotted line here. Sorry, leakage difference. So therefore we give a conjecture in general, that is, with increment of correlation between the memory and the input state, information leakage monotonically decreases, or equivalently leakage difference monotonically increases. So summary. So we have shown the previous limitation of IPC, and we have modified it and generalized it. We have derived the appropriate amount of information leak for QKD like game. We have shown the relation between older approach and the modified approach of IPC. We have shown that in presence of memory, modified IPC decreases, which is consistent with the fact that uncertainty decreases in the presence of memory. It would now for the future direction, it would be useful to construct the resource theory of IPC using our measure. Our measure can be a useful tool for information theoretic tasks that involve transmission of classical information over quantum channel. We would like to explore how our generalized version of IPC can be related to incompatibility of POVMs. Thank you for listening my talk.